welcome for a new video. Welcome at Bmaster.
Bmaster.
Welcome at La Petite Ceinture.
In this video of Lost Railway, we visit two parts of La Petite Ceinture in Paris. Parc des Buttes-Chaumont is a public park situated in the northeast of Paris, in the 19th arrondissement. Let's explore the forbidden, very easy to access part of the railway. Paris, capital city of France and also known as the City of Love. But Paris is also the city of La Petite Ceinture. This 32-kilometer long circular railway was built in the second half of the 19th century. It was used for transport of merchandise and passengers between Paris' major railway company stations. It was a popular mode of public transport until the Universal Exposition of 1900. Paris' first metro line opened in that same year. The use of the railway dropped steadily until its closure on April 1, 1934. Maintained as a freight line until the 1990s. Today the railway is still owned by the French National Railway Company. A section on the west of Paris is reused by a branch of the RER. This regional express network operates in the city of Paris and its suburbs. Now let's enter a 230-meter long accessible part of this lost railway. Access to most of the unused rail tracks is forbidden, but in the past years some parts are transformed into urban parks and walkways. Do you want more of La Petite Ceinture? Then I have good news. There will be a second video of another part of this lost railway in the near future.
Thank you for watching and see you soon for more Bmaster.